Scams, we found three real big scams that are happening in the ecosystem. This is when investors are kind of sold a product. They
don't necessarily make it great for NFTs. So what we've done in terms of Cascade.
In today's video, we will talk about the topic, how to avoid scams in the NFT world. In this video, I will show you how to recognize red flags in NFT projects. Welcome to Flores Online. Subscribe to my channel to let this community grow and to be up to date about NFT, crypto, and stock market news. This is the official website from OpenSea. On this website, you can explore the collections and buy different kinds of NFTs. You see a lot of different NFT collections, but how do you know that you are buying the official NFT collection? OpenSea is the world's first and largest NFT marketplace. In this video, I will give you 5 tips to recognize a scam NFT collection. To show you how to recognize scam NFT collections, I will take Prime Ape Planet as an example. As you can see, you see a different kind of collection using the same name and picture. But how do you know you are buying an NFT of the original collection? I will compare these two Prime Ape Planet collections to show you how you can recognize the red flags. The first one has 8,000 items, 5,000 owners, and a floor price of 0.195 Ethereum and a volume trade of 29.3K. The second one has 19 items, 6 owners, a floor price of 0.05, and a volume trade of 0.25 Ethereum. The other collections also have different numbers. Let's get into the collection for the second one. Let's press this NFT to see what we are going to find. Now I will open the first collection too to compare these two collections. In this collection, you see a description. This art is made by designers who are known for many productions like The Lion King, Godzilla, and many other animations from Marvel, Disney, MGM, and much more. Well-known artist Curtis Doway now has decided he wants to use his skills and experience to bring a high-value project to the NFT space. If we go to the other collection, on the second one you see that the description is very short. I will search the NFT in this collection. And I'll also open an NFT collection from the other collection to compare the information. Let's take this one. The first thing you see is the current price. This one is higher. At the description, you see a complete information about the NFT collection. A unique collection of 7,979 3D hand-drawn Prime Apes stored on the Ethereal network. You also see the properties of the NFT. Everything the apes is wearing is standing here in the properties. At this part, you see the full information about the founders of this project. That is very important. In these details, you see the contract address and other information, but the most important part is where the blockchain Ethereum is. Let's take a look now at the other NFT collection. As you see, the current price is 0.05 Ethereum. This one is very low. That's a red flag. You see that you cannot read any description information about this Prime Ape Planet. That's a red flag. They also don't have any properties, and that is a big red flag. In the details, you can see that the blockchain is Polygon. That's another red flag, because the Prime Ape Planet is a project on the Ethereum blockchain. You can read this information on their Discord page. Now I will press the link from the contact address of this. You see that we are at the page from polygonscan.com, and this is the page where you can find contract for the blockchain network Polygon. Now I will press the link from the contact address from the other collection. Now you see that we are on the page from etherscan.io. This is the page where you can find contract from the blockchain network Ethereum. We are now on the Discord page. In the Discord page, you can find a channel with all the official links. I recommend you only use official websites. You can see the link from the official website and the link from the official NFT collection in OpenSea. If we go to the roadmap, we can read that the collection has a total from 7,979, and you can read their description. If we press the link to their official website, you see that they have a link to their OpenSea collection. This is also a way to find the official OpenSea collection. Now you are seeing a message that I received on Discord about minting a Primate Planet NFT. This one's fake. The founders will never send you a DM. You see, there is a standing 5 minting per wallet. This is also not true if you read the information on the Discord official page, where it says you can mint 2 NFTs per wallet. The price of every NFT was 0.25 Ethereum and not 0.1 Ethereum. These are all red flags. Let's press on the website link to see what happens. Again, you can read the same information of the DM they send you, but if you read the web address, it says primateplanet.me. If we go back to the DM, you see that they've written primateplanet.com. This is another red flag and an alert that this is totally fake. So if you decide to explore NFT collections on OpenSea and buy an NFT, make sure you analyze everything before you buy it. Check if you can read all the descriptions and compare the OpenSea collection with other collections. Use the official links to their Discord or go to their official website to find a link to the official OpenSea collection. That's it for today. If you want to be kept up to date on various NFT news and analysis, then do click on the notification bell to be alerted when I release the next video. Press the like button if you like this video and leave a comment. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch. See you in the next video.